Our big story tonight, hoping to reduce the number of overdose deaths in one of the hardest hit areas in Dayton by giving families a life-saving tool. Tonight, our Nicole Gregg explains how a community is really joining forces with police to do this. Nicole?
Jackie, the East End Community Services, along with police, will be giving out kits to help save opiate abusers. It's an initiative called Project Dawn. It stands for Death Avoided with Naloxone, which is commonly known as the life-saving prescription drug called Narcan. Dayton's east side is one of the hardest hit areas for heroin overdoses.
You see syringes, anything of this shows just any type of substance abuse, you could just walk along the streets.
Dwayne Owens has lived off Xenia Avenue for the past 5 years and has started to see police really stepping in.
They've already started. They've cleaned up the neighborhood. They're always patrolling. So really the drugs have dropped dramatically. So
Major Brian Johns agrees. He says the number of overdose calls for police has already dropped this year in Dwayne's own backyard, and now they're trying to effort saving lives with Project Dawn.
Our goal is to reduce deaths, reduce opiate use, reduce opiate-related crime. But if we can't save their lives first, that's kind of tough to do.
Tomorrow, police, along with the East End Community Services, will give out these kits as part of Project Dawn to anyone who knows an opiate user.
If you know of someone, your neighbor, your son, a relative that uses opiates, to get a Narcan kit in their hand just in case that day may come where they need to use it.
Emily Riggs with the East End Community Center says anyone who comes to tomorrow's free class will get training on the nasal injection that acts like an inhaler, and the hope is to save more than just an abuser's life.
It's about our kids, it's about our community, and it's about changing the perception of treatment and changing how we look at addiction.
Now, the class starts tomorrow at 5:30 at the Community Center off Xenia Avenue. If you'd like more information, just head to our website, abc22now.com.